Statics, Chapter 2, homework problem number 1. So we know that P is 75 newtons and Q is 215 newtons. And we're asked to find the magnitude using the triangle rule. So if we know that P is here, and then Q is here, and that this line going straight down gives us two angles. This one being 20 degrees, this one being 35 degrees. What we could do is we could draw P here and then Q here with the resultant here. Now we have this angle here, R. Knowing that this is 20 degrees, since this is P and this is Q, we could also draw a straight line here, and this is also going to be 20 degrees, and then Q, as you see a straight line going down with Q right there, that this is going to be the same exact angle. It's going to be 35. So with this straight line here, we know two angles and one unknown, so these all have to add up to 180. It's 180 minus 20 minus 35, which gives us 125. So now we know that R equals 125. We can now use the law of cosines really quickly, which the law of cosines is going to tell us that big R equals the square root of P squared plus Q squared minus 2PQ cosine of the angle R we just found. And this whole thing is, let's see, this whole thing is 265.23. So that's big R. Now to find the angle, so now we use the law of sines, which is big R over sine R equals force 2, which in this case is Q, all over sine theta. So what this is going to be is R is going to be 265.23 sine theta equals, let's see, this is going to be Q times R. Q is 215 sine 125. That's going to be 176.117. And we're going to divide this by 265.23. And that's going to give us sine theta equals 0.664. So we're going to take the inverse sine of that, and this is going to mean that theta equals 41.606. And if you look here, this is the x, this is the y. So from x, the resultant is 90 degrees lower, so we're going to do 90 minus 41.6, which gives us an angle of, haha, it's the wrong number, 48.39 plus 20. Plus 20. So we have this angle, 20 plus, which gives us a final theta of 68.39. So let's see, we've got 90 degrees here. It's going to be 90 plus 20 minus 41. Yeah. So actually R is taken from this. Oh, I should probably not be in white. If you look, I get it. If you look, we said that this was the x-axis and that our R was here. We forgot to take into account this extra room right here. So really it's 90 degrees from here. That's where R starts, but we're taking it from this. So this is going to be 20 degrees. And yeah, there you go.